I hope you guys enjoyed the little intro I did here. I think if you guys really liked it, leave in the comments below if you want me to do intros with music like that, and then blah 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 blah, and then it ends up just like with voice, and like if you guys really like it, then leave in the comments if you do. And so I guess today we're actually playing as a beacon here, as you guys can definitely see. I'm sitting here being happy to be alive, playing as bacon hair. So if we're being a bacon hair, we gotta act like a bacon hair. And I've made an account for this so no one would recognize me because we've hit 9 subscribers. Because who knows, 9 people could be chasing me. Hey you. You're not. Teacher, I'm gonna just ask the teacher this question. Talk to me. Yes, more. Okay, so as a beacon hair, this could actually be pretty fun. I don't know. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Idiot. Ah, this feels better. This feels better. I think we gotta go up here. She just left the game as soon as I go. Okay. Stay here. Right now. No. Secret. But I want to get there to show us that we're not noobs. What we gotta do? Gotta say hi. Then we're gonna get on her and we're gonna go to action. By backflipping on someone's head, I'm pretty sure that makes them cool, right? You can't just be judging these. Get off of us. I just started Roblox. I don't know the rules, but okay. Watch this. Okay. Go up in front of them, and we gotta show. Crazy. Woo-hoo. My ladies. Greetings. Oh, geez, the arm. Head shake. Yeah, I'm hungry. I wonder, what are they serving today? Gotta find those 2 girls. They're our main target. Aha, he's another of us. How you buy the food? How you buy the food? Yeah, seriously, how How you buy that food? How are you guys buying food? Hey, Jay? Jay? You don't care if die, then die. First, you gotta scroll up. You scroll up. Thanks. Wait, who is this again? Yeet? Jane? Jane, what's your username, please? Just need to know what your username is, so I can friend request you. That's it. Oh. Okay, I think that was it. Now we just gotta kill him some more. Yeet. You just must die, okay? It makes so much sense for you to die because you don't care if you die, so that means you die, right? Okay, let's get buff, guys. Guys. Get him buff. Try to do. Yeah, yeet. Burpee. There's Jay. That is Jay. We can just get back on him and try to do more backflips. Die again. You must die. We really don't like this guy. Oh, he's changing his thing. Yeah, yeet. You don't care if you die, so. She's like, what? You're not killing me. Yes, I am. This was an experiment. This was a troll. My real account is cow dude. Wow, how cow dude. Okay, so that was a good experiment. Tested. So, I guess we can log into that. So I'm gonna log into that. Let's go. So let's log in straight to it. Yeah, yeet. There's the logout button. I'm pressing the logout button. right away. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, Yates. Okay, so we are on our account right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun acting as a bacon. So let's see me turning into a real bacon. Who is ready? Let's go. Okay, that was really fun to do. I hope you really enjoyed this little experiment. So, I'll see you guys in the next video.